Welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. We are going to be pulling the short blocks apart in today's video. First order of business is pull all this apparatus off, or at least some of it, and then move to the pan, stuff like that. We found something a little not so good. I mean, maybe not so good. I don't know. I'm going to turn the flash on and show you. Honestly, you can see it right there. That does not look the greatest. So we are a little concerned about it, and you could feel it too. That's another, I mean, you could feel it right there. I don't even need to look at it. I mean, all right, so we're gonna take this whole setup off. I already have the bolt off. Got all the accessory drives off. Time to pull this bad boy off, and then the crank trigger wheel. Now it's time to take the pan off and check out the bottom end. All right, so we finally found a socket to run down through there and get those pan bolts, which was a pain in the ass. But we got it handled. Pan off. There's the bottom end. It don't look too bad. Look pretty clean for the most part. All right, so yesterday, as you guys seen, we got the number 8 rod and piston out. The crank actually looks pretty good. You know, the crankshaft journal itself looks pretty good. And the bearing looked fine. There was a little something at some point going through it, and you guys can see right there. But honestly, the car, the setup had great oil pressure, and the oil looked fine every time we changed it. So, however, I think something was definitely going through it. But without further ado, let's crack off all these rods and get them out of this motor. Here's the lineup. Everybody is here and accounted for. All 8 rods and pistons. All the bearings look fine as far as I, really could tell, honestly. They really didn't look all that bad. To spend $2,000 something on a set of rods and 80 runs from putting them in the motor, they're trashed. I mean, probably less when you make more horsepower. But these rods, no good anymore. Even though they're nice and shiny and everything, they're no good. So we're gonna take the block down to Fort Myers, heat them in racing engines, and he's gonna put a sleeve in it for us, probably wash it, stuff like that. A fun fact, we actually used to live in Fort Myers. That's actually where I was born. Fort Myers, Cape Coral area. Gonna go ahead and pull this camshaft out and pull this cover off, and then pull the crank out. Finally got that bottom pulley off for that Jessel belt drive. Got the timing cover off. I have these busted loose. Gonna go ahead and pull off the main caps and pull that crank up out of there. The crankshaft is out. Here's the main caps. The journals don't look too bad. Same thing with the main caps. So I actually meant to post this video like a week ago. I've been sick. My dad's been sick, and we were sick for we were both sick for like a week. And I kind of was hesitant to really do anything outside because, one, it is hot. I mean, it's summer here in the state of Florida, and it sucks. But we also hit 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I just want to tell you guys thank you for that. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys give, or the hate. It doesn't matter. It's support no matter what. So thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to check out virtualspeedperformance.com for your new and used hot rod and performance parts. And I'll see you guys next time.